Hey there, beautiful people! Ready to glow up without spending a single penny? Well, you're in the right place. I'm here to show you how to transform your look in just 7 days, using nothing but what you have at home. Yes, you heard that right. Let's get started. This journey is going to be fun and rewarding. Day 1. Hydration. Water is your best friend. It's the simplest and most effective way to start your glow-up journey. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Keep a bottle with you at all times to remind yourself to drink up. It flushes out toxins, keeps your skin clear, and gives you that natural glow. Plus, it's great for your overall health. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Day 2. Skincare. Dig into your kitchen and find some natural ingredients. You don't need expensive products to take care of your skin. Honey and lemon make a fantastic face mask. They're natural, effective, and you probably already have them at home. Apply it, leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse off. It's that simple. Your skin will feel fresh and rejuvenated. And don't forget to moisturize. Keeping your skin hydrated is key. Day 3. Exercise. Get moving. Physical activity is crucial for a healthy body and mind. You don't need a gym membership to stay fit. There are plenty of ways to get your heart pumping right at home. A 20-minute home workout, a jog around your neighborhood, or even dancing in your room will do wonders. Find what you enjoy and stick with it. It boosts your mood and gives you that healthy glow. Day 4. Hair care. Look in your pantry for some coconut oil or olive oil. These natural oils are fantastic for your hair. Massage it into your scalp and let it sit for an hour before washing it out. This simple treatment can work wonders. Your hair will feel softer, shinier, and healthier. Day 5. Sleep. Make sure you're getting 7-9 hours of sleep each night. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. A good night's rest helps your body repair itself and gives you that bright-eyed, bushy-tailed look. Plus, dark circles? No thank you. Day 6. Self-care. Take some time for yourself. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Read a book, meditate, or take a long bath. Find what relaxes you and make it a part of your routine. Whatever helps you relax and recharge, it's all about finding balance and taking care of your mental health. Feeling good on the inside will make you glow on the outside. Day 7. Style. Now go through your wardrobe and mix and match outfits. You don't need new clothes to create new looks. Try new combinations and accessorize with what you have. Confidence is key. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Own your look and strut your stuff. Confidence is the best accessory you can wear. And there you have it. A whole new you in just 7 days without spending a single penny. Remember, the best glow up comes from feeling good about yourself. It's all about self-love and self-care. So drink your water, take care of your skin, move your body, and rock your style. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Stay glowing and keep shining.